सीधे लिए चलते हैं दिल्ली के इंदिरा गांधी राष्ट्रीय कला केंद्र, जहां इस वक्त केंद्रीय मंत्री वेंकैया नायडू राष्ट्रीय सांस्कृतिक महोत्सव में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, शामिल हुए हैं और संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
देश में जो हमारा आदिकाल से, वेद काल से, पुण्य काल से, पुराण काल से जो पूर्वजों ने जिया और दिया, विरासत में हमको मिला, हमारा भारतीय संस्कृति, जीवन पद्धति, उसी को कायम रखने के लिए, उसी को दुनिया के सामने प्रस्तुत करने के लिए, देश में नया पीढ़ी को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए हमारा सरकार का सांस्कृतिक विभाग इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन कर रहे हैं। मैं सबसे पहले इस कार्यक्रम के लिए मंत्री जी श्री महेश शर्मा जी को अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। I would like to compliment him for the good initiative he has taken up in organizing this program of this dimension, bringing people from different parts of the country, belonging to different religions, different regions, different languages, different traditions, all of them coming together and displaying their, hey Babu, please, आप लोग आपस में बात मत करें, different cultures and different traditions, they are all being exhibited in Delhi so that the new generation, younger generation, they get inspiration from this. What is happening in different parts of the country, what are their traditions, what are their practices, what is their music, what is their dance, what is their other way of cultural activities. All these things through various zones, they are being exhibited here in Delhi. That's why I call it as a very, very important initiative taken up by the minister. Friends, the timing of the festival could not be more apt. The National Cultural Festival like this provides a great opportunity to us to explain our great culture and our tradition. Particularly in times like this, it is very necessary to bring forth the beliefs, the customs, the traditions, the values, and the way of life in India and its people. We are not concerned about religion. हम मजहब के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे। मजहब एक पूजा पद्धति है, मगर हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं वो पद्धति, जीवन पद्धति के बारे में। जीवन पद्धति जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं भारतीय जीवन पद्धति, जिसको हमारा पूर्वजों ने कहा हिंदू जीवन पद्धति, ये सर्वोच्च है और उत्कृष्ट है। पूरा दुनिया के सामने भारतीय जीवन पद्धति is a great example, an ideal way of life, and we should all feel proud of our culture and heritage. The festival is to celebrate the spirit of tradition, cultural heritage, and diversity of our incredible country with a broader object to preserve, promote, and popularize the heritage of Indian spirit, connect to the new generation with our culture, and showcase same of the country to the world and our soft power of unity in diversity. विविधता में एकता भारत का विशेषता, अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. Irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion, region, India is one. From Attak to Cuttack, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, entire people of India, we are all Indians. Whether you may be Muslim, you may be Christian, you may be Hindu, you may be forward, you may be backward, you may be woman, you may be man, all of us, we all feel proud that we are Indians, we are Indians, we are Bharatiyas. That sense of belongingness will be there among all of us. From ancient times, many rulers, they attacked India. Some of them were assimilated into our culture and our tradition. Some of them were accommodated. Those who were neither assimilated nor accommodated like British faced resistance from the people of the country, and finally they have to leave. The so-called individuals who are following the double standards need to know one thing. Hinduism is not a religion. It's a way of life. There is no particular God or ideology that you can call as the Hindu way of life. You can be Hindu irrespective of whether you worship one God, man God, or a woman God, whether you worship a cow or a tree. If you don't worship anything, you can still be called as a Hindu. That is the greatness of this culture.